Hello, I'm Priyanka Pratap and I'm delighted to present this beautiful 5-bedroom villa that's perfect for families. The villa sits on a plot size of 8,370 square feet and has a beautifully landscaped garden that is abundant in various kinds of fruits and vegetables. Now we move into the interior of the villa, which has a built-up of over 4,000 square feet and has a cozy traditional feel with a large living area, separate dining and plenty of natural light. The dining area leads into the kitchen, which further leads into a separate maid's room and laundry area. One of the key features of this villa is that it has a guest bedroom on the ground floor, complete with an attached bathroom and wardrobes. There are 4 bedrooms upstairs, including a master bedroom that is generously sized and has ample storage, his and her sinks, a separate bathtub and shower, as well as a private balcony. If you're interested in the property and would like to schedule a viewing, please contact me on the details provided below.